guys, Sheep here with Bird Story. Really quick, since we're watching the little intro thing, I have to record my entire monitor for this. Like, I can't get it to set up as game capture window. So, if you see stuff pop up, hopefully it will be in this little corner here, but if it does, it does. I've tried multiple times to get it to not happen, and it keeps doing it. But I told people on Skype that I'm recording, so maybe they won't message me if Steam stuff pops up. Well, I can't help you with that one, I'm sorry. Anyways, so Bird Story is interesting because it's telling a story, I know, shocking, without using any words, and it has minimal interaction from us, or the player. So, I guess a way to describe it is like, right, escape, spacebar, enter. We'll probably use enter. Anyways, so it's like a slightly interactive movie. And I thought it would just be something interesting and nice to chill out to together. Did anyone else think the kid was gonna like topple forward out of the tree? I've been playing too much Dark Souls. Fly, Burbs, fly! Whatever I was looking for. He's really disappointed it's not there. We have a paper airplane! Whoosh. I knew kids that were super serious about paper airplanes when I was a wee lass. Let's go with that wording. Like, I knew one kid that, like, got not staplers. No, he did try staples one time. But, like, most of the time, he just used, like, altered paper clips and stuff like that. Like, he bent them just right, and he's like, yeah, it's gonna add more weight and stability here, and blah, 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 and it'll go further. But you gotta throw it harder. And I'm like, well, if you throw anything harder, it's gonna go a little bit further unless you're aiming at the ground. And even that, it bounced. Alright, flipped our book shut. I don't know what all those papers are. This looks like playing cards in the corner. I'm gonna try to move the mouse off screen and hope I don't have to use it. Look at that kid. At first I thought he was going to bed at a reasonable hour, and then I looked at the clock. Alright. Just out here in the woods. Always nice. Okay. Was that his dream? I think no time has passed, but I don't trust that clock. Oh. Time is passing in reverse. Got it. We have a clock tree. Oh, I'm in control. Do I have to follow the path? What happens if I don't follow the path? I was really concerned about not following that path right. Hey, it's a paper airplane. And now we're flying backwards. Oh no, I don't know what path you're following. Does it not matter? Okay. This is weird. I mean, not the weirdest tree I've ever seen, but it's up there. Alright, clock sounds. How dare you, clock. Ew, school. Education. Also, we can see her clothes as a solid, but like she's see-through, but everybody else is like completely see-through, so is everyone but us naked? Like us and her? Alright, school's just boring. We're making a paper airplane, aren't we? Man, I just want to grow up and be a bird. Or pilot. We know what those squirrels are doing. Playing tag. Stop looking at me. First of all, nice shot. Wait, what? I'm looking at the math. Oh, you jerk. I guess we can wander the school now. Whoa. What if we sidestep the door? I have no control of them yet. Where are they going? I want to go with them. Alright, I have control. First thing I'm doing, going the wrong way. Alright, just darkness. I had to check. Oh. Oh, we're being rebels. Run, boy, run. There's... What? I'm not gonna lie, that's one of the coolest transitions I've seen from building to outside. It's like, yeah, we're just gonna turn lockers into trees. What's up, kiddo? No one's playing with you? Go play on the side! Or in the sandbox. Oh, we can't get in the sandbox. This is a terrible gym. Or not gym. Playground. How do I climb? Oh my gosh. The swing set's completely flat. This is bull. I remember when they took like the gravel out of our playground and then put in like rubber. Like it was like if you chopped up I'm really bad at following paths. It was like you chopped up tires. This looks irrelevant. It was chopped up tires and it was all laid flat, and I was like, I don't think they've ever fallen on this because I'd take the gravel over like a tire just straight to the body. Do we live in here? Oh, we go in here. I think. There's no words, so I don't have like a desire to try to read stuff. Even though normally I would. Yeah, stay away from me, creep. I know about your floor. Alright, so we have a antisocial kid, but at the same time the other kids are playing with us, so, you know, they're lost. Lights. Wire the mouse. Says rats? Mouses. Mice? I'll get the word right eventually. Okay, probably too far. Maybe my apartment? I guess it's my apartment. Family, I'm home. Do I have a family? You guys those parents that work all the time to like provide for me and stuff? How dare you? Not the best electricity in this place. Then again, why do you need 3 lamps? Oh, that was interesting. Get like a blurred out note from parents. Okay, so I can interact with that. Sparkly means interact. Got it. What happens if I click this? So our parents are kind of scientisty. I'm assuming that's our parents' room. Were you not supposed to be in there? Dear child, I'm gonna have to ask you to be like 50%. Actually, no, stay exactly as cute as you are. What's in here? Hey, it's our room. Oh, those are all notes from his parents. Oh, I probably won't be home for a while. Gotta be all scientistin'. I want a bowl of rice too. Aw, man, I just said that, now I really want rice. Or just food in general. I haven't eaten yet today. What are we making? I have no idea what he's eating. I'm gonna assume it's Skittles. Or maybe colorful popcorn, which I vaguely remember. Does anybody else remember that? Okay, I want my book. Like, back in the day, they came out with, like, popcorn that was different colors and stuff like that. I remember this strongly in my heart because I wanted a piece. And this boy is rather like, well, close your eyes and I'll give you one. And I was like, whatever, you guys are weird. Mind you, I was a wee lass. And they put a ladybug in my mouth instead. And when I found out, I got really sick to my stomach all over the sidewalk. And then I told their mom on them because they were jerks. And not only did I get my own, like, I got the rest of their bags of popcorn, and, like, she made me one. But she also made them clean it all up. Oh no, my face! Face! Fix yourself! Lips grow to kiss my own boo-boo, but then, like, go back, because that would be weird. Oh, his nose is still hurt. We need to name this kid. Falco! Oh, my mouse showed up for some reason. Is it a diary? Am I drawing? What am I doing in that book? Do I find out later? Aww. They work all day, but they care. None of suplex me into the bed and save me, like, years of back pain later in life, but still. That was the best shot I've ever seen in my life. That was across the room. Like, you've seen an old clock, how you turn those suckers off. Oh, he's happy. Don't just leave it on the floor. Oh, I put it back on their bed. Oh, I wonder if I have a single parent that's always working. Because only one side of their bed's messed up, so either one of them is just like, I don't care, or the other one doesn't exist. I'm so half asleep. Oh, enter? Oh, you have a backpack. Can't be going to school without your backpack, kids. I'm gonna walk right past it. Book. Oh, I was drawing pictures. Thank you for clearing that up. By the way, that's a really fancy Regular notebook. I got muffins. Awesome. And they left me an umbrella. What? No, get the... What's wrong with you? Rude. Didn't even slow down for the record. Don't fold paper airplanes today. Because that kid will be a tool. That kid's still gonna be a tool. In this game, we like throw a bird at him. I can hear that rain. Dun 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 dun. Okay, that's physical abuse towards students. I'm filing so many things right now. Then again, aside from the parent that we never see, everybody in this kid's life seems to be a jerk. I fear no rain. You were supposed to bring that umbrella and you didn't. Oh! Whee! We're totally gonna get a cold, but... Wait, come here. Take that, puddle. As an adult, I still enjoy jumping in puddles, by the way. This music is really pretty and well done. Can I take the mushroom? Such polite trees. Just getting all up out of my way. What are you being chased by? Is that a badger? Use hyper beam. Okay, I'm sorry. Like, school-age child versus badger is not a win for the... No. We're still asleep. We did not beat that badger. I can't fly. I wonder what the cause of it was. Go closer. Tell him your life secrets. I don't know why I'm whispering. Aw. Find that bird. What? Alright, listen here. Again, this kid is an amazing shot. Okay. Okay, real talk though, that's a honey badger. They tend to not care. Yeah, we're just gonna bring a wild bird home. Nobody's gonna die of any, like, avian flu or nothing. I know, I just destroyed all the goodness in the world. I seem to be vaguely aware that there's something in my bag. Alright, Banjo-Kazooie mode. I'm not a bear, but I got the right form. Alright, this kid's now banjo and the bird's kazooie. Also, it's been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna cut it off here. I'm sorry to do it. But, fortunately, nothing's actively happening right now, so it's good. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!